Greetings everyone, I am here today with my very first Fabfitfun box. Now I have seen these things all over the interwebs for a while now, but I feel like with this specific box, the advertisements and promotions were just another level. They were everywhere, absolutely everywhere, and they finally sold me on this box. It was $49.99, but there's hundreds of codes everywhere to get like 10 bucks off, so I spent $40 on this. If you follow anybody who was ever on The Bachelor or Bachelorette, they're promoting this box. So after I ordered it though, it almost got to the point where I saw so many promotions and advertisements that I almost didn't even want it anymore. But the one thing that sold me on this was this little guy right here. This Foreo Luna FoFo little face cleanser brush. For a while I used the Clinique one, but I feel like this one is more sanitary because it's silicone and it doesn't like hold on to the like bacteria and yuckiness and whatnot. Anyway, I was really glad to see this, and purple is my favorite color. This thing goes for $89. It actually, I don't think is even available in stores anywhere yet. Like, this was an exclusive, like, beta launch in this box. What's specifically awesome about this particular one is it has these little sensors right here. Yeah, if you look on the back, it's this cute little face holding a camera. It has these little sensors right here, and you download an app, and it'll tell you, to hold the sensors to one cheek, then the other cheek, then your forehead, then your nose, and it'll tell you what your skin age is for the day, what your moisture levels are for the day, and then when you go to clean your face, it'll change vibrations when it wants you to move from one spot of your face to another. And it's a really cool little gadget. I like it so far. As far as the app and the reading goes, I've had different readings depending on, like, if I took my makeup off first and if I dried my face really good first, it'll be like, oh, your skin's really dry today. Well, you know what? When I didn't dry off all of the makeup remover, you said my skin was really moisture filled. So it is beta, but I think this is really cool. I don't know if, like, I don't know. This is really cool. It is. This is what sold me on the box. I'm excited to continue to play with it. It actually makes washing my face fun, so. Then another thing that I was excited for in this box is the Tarteist the Tarteist Glow Palette. I know that I see Shanixo use this a lot, so obviously it's good. It comes with 4 highlights, a cream contour, and a powder contour. The powder contour I used today. It's kind of light, I think. It's definitely a good contour shade. When it comes to contouring and bronzing, I definitely prefer to bronze than I do to contour, but it's not bad. And this palette smells like chocolate. I don't know why, like, everyone's doing this now. Anyway, the highlight shades are really pretty. They're kind of powdery, but they're nice. Let's see, here's 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 of them are a little bit too dark for me. I used Lit today. It is very pretty. I think this is the most flattering shade on me. This one is a little bit too dark. Fire. Stunner I haven't really tried, and Strobe is like a really light one, but it's not bad. And I don't know if I'll ever use the like cream contour. At first when I opened it, I was like, oh my gosh, somebody stuck their grubby little fingers in this and swatched it or something. But really, see the mark there? What happened was it had a clear film on top of it, and when I pulled it off, I did it myself. But I was like, oh, scandal! And this is, how much does this cost? Came with this little, like, magazine type deal. This is $45. So I only paid $40 for the whole box, and oh, I think I just got highlight on my nose. I only paid I only paid $40 for the whole box, and like it's already like whoosh, the value of it. The rest of the stuff that's in here, I was like, I'll give it all a try. Oh, I forgot one thing in my bathroom. I'll have to go get that later. Anyway, so one thing that I've been using since I got it is this Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. When I first opened it, I spilled the oil all over my carpet, but it's really luxurious. Like, I like it. I feel like I've gone through it really quickly though, and I've only used it like maybe 4 times. It has a weird smell to it, but I like it. My fiance was like, this smells weird, but I don't know. I like it. I think it's really luxurious. I do feel like it burns if I use it after I shave, which you're probably not supposed to use it after you shave, but I don't know. I shave my legs every day. But I really like this, and it leaves my skin feeling so smooth, like almost to the point where I'm like, I don't need a lotion after this shower because my skin is smooth. All right, now we have this Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator Exfoliating Cleanser. I have not used this yet. I should try it though. Dramatically improve your skin's texture to reveal softer, brighter, and younger looking skin. Maybe I'll try this today. So I don't have anything to say about this, but I'll try it today. And this costs $29, and the body caviar is $48. So that's expensive. Then I also got this Coola. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. I haven't had any caffeine yet today. This Coola Face SPF. This is $32. I really don't ever use sunscreen. I know, it's bad, and I live in Florida, and the sun is brutal, but but this is made with white tea. It's a moisturizer. It's broad spectrum SPF 50. That's pretty good. I have tried stuff by Coola before. It was actually an SPF setting spray that I really liked. Now, if that would have come in the box, I would have been like, yeah. I might give this a try at some point because, I mean, it is for the face. If I do use sunscreen anywhere, it's on my face, but usually it's stuff that's in my makeup products. And then this little travel makeup baggie by Yumi Kim. It has a big pouch on the bottom and then a little zipper compartment up here on top. Oh, I didn't even notice this. Wait, what? What is this? Oh. Enjoy $50 off your purchase of $200 at yumikim.com. Okay. Has little brush compartments. This thing goes for $58. Really? I've never even heard of Yumi Kim. This thing, $58? Holy cow! I hope they're not lying about that, but whatevs. And then, kind of random, came with a little catch-all dish ring holder tray mabob. It's really pretty. It's marble and it has a gold trim around it. This is from Pier 1 Imports and it is 15 doll hairs. I actually have a lot of little things like this sitting around my room. I just noticed that this matches perfectly with one of my Sonia Kashuk brush sets and brush holder. Look. It's gold and marble. That's perfect. Maybe I'll have to keep it here on my desk. There's one more thing that I have to go get, but before that, it also came with a straw with little turtles on it. It says #GiveASip. It's supposed to save wildlife or something. All right, so the last thing in the box was from Orlando Pita Play. I haven't tried anything by this brand. I'm pretty sure they sell it at Ulta. This is a Atmos-Shield hair protectant spray. I have not tried this yet, but I really should. Although I only blow dry and straighten my hair once a week. I'll give this a try. It kind of looks like a milky conditioner-like substance inside. Oh. I just sprayed that on my phone. Duh. And this is worth $34. Okay, so the stuff in here is like really expensive. So obviously $40 for the whole thing is a pretty darn good deal. I'm not sure yet if I recommend this box. I'm more into boxes that are primarily makeup, but this is cool. Adventures out there. It gets, I mean, it came with like a little catch-all dish. So, I'm not going to cancel this box just yet. I'll see what happens later in the year. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you later. Bye.